What's up, my real ones? So today we have Susie's Wings and Deli. We have the fried whiting, the lemon pepper and hot, the, what is that? Oh, ranch. I don't know why. Oh, I thought I was getting fries. And some tartar sauce and blue Powerade. Thank you, Lord. Ant's eating scraps. I ain't showing your face. I'm just showing the plate. Now I'm showing the face. They're banning you TikTok. Yeah, I'm just kidding. They are though. Alright, y'all. Fish. Fried rice. Zeke, oh, I know he done acted crazy because when he take off running up the steps, like he done did something. This lemon pepper hot. This lemon pepper good. Thank you, Lord. You want a piece of this fish? Go ahead. Yeah. Heck yeah. Thumbnail. Oh, I could have did a picture with that. That was, huh? The who? Oh, heck yeah, you got to. Hold on, y'all. I got to do a picture. Everything is content around here, guys. All right, Aunt wants this piece. Go ahead. Grab it. The hand. You need to dip it in that hot sauce. Hot lemon pepper. Where's it at? Right there. Thank you, Lord. And you can get another piece. There's tartar. Yeah. Thank you, Lord, for this fried whiting and vegetable fried rice. Thank you, Lord. Yo, it's Rooster's giving. Okay, like, okay, I'm there. No shade to Rooster.
On fish, though, that's a whole nother.
But Susie's don't sell soul food either. Yeah, I don't really. And I don't need any because guess what? I can cook my own. I need the stuff that I don't cook at the house, and that is fried fish. And I can't. Do they collard greens have meat in it? Oh, fancy. Do you want another bite? You gotta bite it out. Fried rice. I'm not. I'm feeling it. It's not nasty at all. I mean, it's good, but I should have got fries. I was trying to be health conscious, and I guess that is. Yeah, so it's like, but then it's like my taste buds are like not feeling it. I'm eating the fried. Oh, I didn't. I didn't. They should have gave it to me just off of me getting that. Yeah, you gotta ask. True. Yeah, no, that's true. Yeah, I just have a taste for fish though. Thank you, Lord. Where's the ranch with that hot lemon pepper here? At any other store around here, if you say, can I get hot lemon pepper, including Jefferson's, including Feathers, they say we can't mix it for you. We got to sell it to you separately. You can even, ew. That ranch ain't hitting on that. And what's happening? It used to be good. Yeah, man. Huh?
They probably had the wrong person, man.
Yeah, this is Susie's.
Oh, yeah.
But it should have been good. Adjunct don't even have a flavor. Like, they ain't put the seasoning in. They just put, like, a bunch of mayonnaise or something. Can you hand me that coleslaw? And I just want one bite. Oh, this is not. Is there coleslaw over there?
It's over there. It's on your other side.
Oh, I'm like, I thought I grabbed it. Thank you. I'm gonna take one bite because I know Zoe loves coleslaw, but come on, you bite.
Maggie look good.
Oh yeah, I put it up too, ASAP. I really appreciate that, man. That let you know how, remind you how strong you are. Everyone needs that reminder. For real. He's telling you he wants a TREAT. My dog is bullying my son like he always tries to do. He standing his ground like, why do dogs have to be so aggressive towards you? But they love you. It's weird. What dog do you think loves you the most out of every dog that you've been around?
I don't know. Definitely not.
What dog do you think that you have the closest connection with?
Probably Zeke.
Yeah, that's deep. Me, I would say like the one I liked the most was basically Daisy and Leo. They've been with me the longest, so you know, I bet. But he picked you. When we went to pick out Zeke, Zeke picked Ant. Ant is the reason we have Ezekiel. Like, literally. If you would have never, like, half you would have looked over him that day. So my son was standing there, like, with his, just standing, and the dog, Ezekiel, laid between his legs. And I,
baby, that's why.
yeah.
Baby.
He drew, oh, he's spoiled. And I asked him, I said, which dog do you want? And I was pointing. And he was like, this one. And he was laid in between his legs. That's crazy. He literally picked you. Like, literally. Because I was about to let you pick any dog out there. And it was like, you didn't have to. You didn't even have to, like, look. I don't even know if I looked at any other dog besides Blaze. And the only reason I looked at him was because I didn't. If it was up to me, I probably wouldn't have picked the all black dog. Because you always pick like a blue or just a different color. He's the prettiest dog, has the prettiest coat. He's so handsome. Ezekiel, come say hi.
I always wanted a black dog.
Oreo.
Nah. She had blue eyes, right?
No, that was Spanky.
Oh, yeah, she had blue eyes.
All white with blue on them. It's taking the trash out, y'all. Thank you, Lord. I didn't even have to ask him. That's when you know God's stepping in. And God is the only one that can change a person and deal with the matters of the heart. So God's just, he's developing him and maturing him, and I thank God for my child. I see progress. And that's all you want to see. He's my sweetheart. Glory be to God for my child, my son. The heir to the throne, baby. And he's handsome. Beauty is a gift.